had to be found. At this family-owned farm, the farmer does the grazing with his tractor and feeds his herd in open, roomy barns. 25 years ago, eggs in Israel were so rare, there was a saying that if a farmer slaughtered a chicken, the farmer was sick, or the chicken was. In a moshav near Afula, Rina Schoffman, one of many highly successful chicken ranchers, raises 3,000 chickens single-handedly. Hers is a breeder flock. Fertilized eggs are sent to broiler farms, where they are hatched and raised for market. Nearly everything is automatic. Collecting the eggs to feeding and watering. Eggs for the table are produced at a nearby kibbutz in the Israel Valley. 12,000 hens spend full time eating and producing eggs, while only one person is needed to operate the entire hen house. An average of 7,500 eggs per day are sent to market from this one egg house. This turkey farm is at a moshav not far from the Jordanian border. Turkeys are as common as cows at kibbutzim and moshavim. They are standard in the Israeli diet. In fact, the turkey could someday become the national bird of Israel. More turkey is eaten here per person than anywhere else in the world. Here's a somewhat unusual crop. Fish are harvested in Israel. This variety is called Tilapia Galilee, also known as St. Peter's fish, and it's a relative of those caught in the Sea of Galilee. They are carefully bred and raised in acres of specially prepared ponds. It was found that growth could be increased by as much as 300% by pumping air into the pond water. When the fish have been collected in tanks, they are prepared for market at the kibbutz's own processing station. They are sorted by size, packed in crates, and may be sold within hours. Raising food was a life or death challenge to Israel's first immigrants 25 years ago. Doctors, lawyers, merchants, businessmen from Europe's cities, few, if any, were farmers, nor were their fathers nor their grandfathers before them. In a new land that seemed to be half malarial swamp and half desert, they not only survived, they have somehow achieved the most highly developed agriculture in the world in an incredibly short time. Now a major exporting nation of food to the rest of the world, Israel's output has grown since 1948. Until the recent war, Israel was exporting the technical knowledge that will aid other nations' agricultural development. As to the future, so much depends upon the word that opens and closes every conversation in Israel. Shalom. The word means peace. It is the key and the hope for what lies ahead.